Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very amazing course of jam making. So now you can make all the jam at home without any preservative. But of course I will give you the recipe with preservative also, so that you can sell all these jam on commercial level also. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So this is mango jam. So in today's class, I will teach you both the way how to make home style jam, and even I will teach you how to make commercial level jams. Okay, this is strawberry jam. So I will teach you the right technique of adding thickening agents, preservative if you are looking for commercial recipe, how to add, when to add, what is the right time to add all the agents. I will teach you everything in this course. Then this is berry chia seed jam. And this is our pineapple jam. So we have 240 plus courses which we have designed in such a way that after joining any course you can start your small business from home, or even you can make all the recipe at home, and all the recipe are so super, it tastes like amazing. Then this is our Pear Ginger Jam, and this jam is not available in the market. The taste is so different from other jam. We have lakhs of students from India and all over world who have joined our courses, and after joining our courses they have started their small business from home and they are earning good money. And beside these online courses, we have our own brand of masala and premixes, that is Urban Foods. So if you are interested to buy our product of all masala and premixes, so please check the description box where I have given you the buying link. Okay, and even I have given you the contact number. And even if you want to buy these all products in bulk also, you can contact and buy all the products in bulk. We have lakhs of students from India and all over the world who joined our online class and started their career in this line. So what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone, dial our number and join your online course anytime, any place and anywhere. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. And when you join our online course, you will get recipe PDF and video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubts, you can contact us and solve your all query. So in this way you can join our online course any place, anytime and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Nehal Upadhyay and second is Rutuja Matre. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online class by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe our channel.